muscle car to check out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle. 396 big block underneath the hood, 325 horse. Muncie 4-speed. And this is an original 4-speed car. Actually, build sheet will come with it. 308 rear gears. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's go ahead and take a look at the murdered out grille, bumper, headlight surrounds. Kind of a menacing look, and this dark charcoal, a little heavy Chevy tribute. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, down below the video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Black 5-spoke wheels. A lot of stuff recently done to this, and we'll kind of go down the list as we walk around it, take a peek at this car. It does have a new 3-core radiator, coolant hoses, thermostat. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. Edelbrock 750 carburetor, sitting on that 396. Hooker headers. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little peek at the interior. So we have black vinyl bench seat. You can see 4-speed on the floor. Well, aftermarket retro sound style radio. You can see these panels nice and straight, and again with that black stripe on that dark charcoal paint. Pretty cool, menacing look for a muscle car, no doubt about that. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see paint has a nice shine to it. Fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. All right, some more of the recent things done to this car. Down my checklist, and I have a list too. I'll take pictures of it, put in still pictures, so you can sure check it out there also. 3-inch stainless exhaust. Mentioned that retro sound style system. All weather stripping was replaced. The ACN, it is a vintage AC setup. Fuel system all gone through. Complete brake system. Front and rear springs and shocks. The alternator, starter, and belts. All new battery and cables. All the bulbs. Fluids, power steering pump. High pressure power steering hose. Steering gear box. When we get to the interior, the dash pad, headliner, seat carpets, carpet, package tray. All new in it also. And you can see up and down this driver's side. Good look to it again. Nice shine to that paint. Let you check out the stance of that car too. This one will turn heads, no doubt about that, the way it sounds and the way it looks. Speaking of the way it looks, uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can check out all those still pictures. Let's get a little closer peek at this interior. You can see even down to the door handles, murdered out, as well as the side mirror, the driver's side. All right, package tray we were talking about. It's up where those 6x9s are sitting. Looks good. Seat belts intact. Vinyl, not ripped, tore, really showing much wear at all. That headliner again's new. Take a look at that. All right, the best part's yet to come. Let's start this thing up so we can hear it run. Radio power's up. That is working. Aftermarket tack, steering column. Oil pressure gauge, a couple outlets. Flip around to the back so you hear this run. Listen to this. Again, 396, 402 old heads. Let me go ahead and pause this a second. I want to get the hood open so we check out that engine bay, and then stick around to the very end of this video. Remember, Jason will take you for a drive, take you for a virtual ride, show you how it goes down the road. There's a good look at the underside of the hood and engine bay. You can also see newer master cylinder, brake booster. Talked about the AC compressor a little earlier. Those headers down there. $396. HEI ignition. Ready to roll. 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle. A little heavy Chevy tribute. Big block power. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle in what would be maybe a gunmetal gray, one of those good colors. This is a manual transmission on the floor. Nice rumble to this car. Just checking. Appears to be a 4-speed manual. To me, this car is fun to drive. You got lots of power, great exhaust sound, manual transmission for the most fun. Now we have a Bosch tachometer strapped to the column, and that is working. Speedometer also working. The fuel gauge showing a little over half a tank. There is a retro sound style radio in there. That is putting out sound. The AC works and blows cold. Vintage air AC always seems to be reliable. Moving down the second for the circle here. Bench seat interior in this car, good looking interior, satin finish on the dash. The steering wheel is clocked a little to the left, but that doesn't affect performance at all. Handles good on the road. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this Chevelle at UniqueClassicCars.com.